Alright, good morning guys. Going to be doing the windscreen nozzle replacement today. You can clean these out. You can't see them very well. You can clean the little holes out. You just use like a tip cleaning tool for your welders and stuff, and it cleans them real good. And you just pull the hose off the back of them, but I've been doing it sort of like once a week now and they block up again. So just bought some new ones. Just going to do a quick how-to on how to replace them. Hopefully it should be a quick one. So first up, you got to pop your head lining off, or just the bottom half out enough to be able to get to the nozzles. So I'll just do that now. It's pretty much just your plastic push-in clips, and you're just going to bend the head lining out on this side here. You just pull it out and back. Alright, so this should be a nice quick video for you guys, because it's nice and simple. Hopefully. So you're just going to pull the elbow off, like so, and then you can probably just use your hands actually. You just squeeze that tab. Okay. And there you go. So all I done then was squeezed it on this tab, and it clears the bonnet, and then you can pop it out real easy. Right, now as far as getting the new one in, it's just a matter of, oh, I put it in wrong. So you get this side here started, the back side, and then it takes a little bit of force, but yeah, just push down and it finds its way in. Just push this end in a little bit more first so that it goes under the bonnet, and then the other side will just snap in. And for fitting the elbows, it's just going to take a little bit of force. Hopefully it's nice and easy to do. Yeah, so they pop on. That pops on real easy. And then, come on. Just got to do the other side now, and we'll give her a test run. A nice quick fix. This is the part number for the nozzles. I think it cost me $15 for both. And yeah, in the end I pretty much just gave up with cleaning them out. So quick test run, and let's see if they work. Yeah boy. That's good, so you get full coverage again now. God, they haven't come out that solid in a long time. Thanks for watching guys. I'm going to be increasing my uploads over the next 2 months. Pump out some videos and see where it gets me on this channel. I noticed I'm starting to get a few more subscribers now, so try to put some more content up to help it grow quicker. Thanks guys, catch ya.